echoes through the city streets. Heartbeats racing, time repeats.
Stories tangled, lies collide. Tonight, the truth cannot hide.
Shadows fall, the night is ours. Secrets break like shattered stars. Between the lines of love and fear, every choice brings someone near.
Past we walk, now twist and turn. Every flame a lesson to learn. I see the future, hold it tight. Through the darkness there's still light. Would it sound like this? The echoes of our hearts. Every love, every loss, every ending, every start. Voices rise, the night ignites. The world we cannot miss. Sing it loud, sing it proud. This is what it sounds like this. Dreams of tomorrow pull me near. Every doubt, every tear, holding fast through storm and strife. Life unfolds, it cuts like a knife. For the vows that bind, for the past we choose. Every step a gain, every step a bruise. Hearts collide and secrets fly underneath the endless sky. Can we mend what's broken? Find the light. Every shadow fades at the edge of night. Stand together, face the test. Put our hearts, put our souls to rest. Ooh, rest. What it sound like this? The echoes of our hearts. Every love, every loss, every ending, every start. Voices rise, the night ignites. The world we cannot miss. Sing it loud, sing it proud. This is what it sounds like this. Health and hope, the days ahead. The stories written, the tears we shed. Justice, love, and fate entwined. Every secret, every mind. Would it sound like this? Can you feel it now? Every heartbeat, every vow. The loss, the fight, the bliss. Raise your voice. This is what it sounds like. This echoes sing the night today. The world turns, we find our way. Through the chaos, through the mist. Together now, hear what it sounds like.